You'll have heard of the Inklings, C.S. Lewis and JRR Tolkien, the Oxford group that met in the Bird and Baby, the pub in Oxford, to discuss their work. Well, Owen Barfield was one of the Inklings, and both Lewis and Tolkien said that Barfield was actually the most innovative in the sense that he had the most radical ideas. They sort of borrowed from him and worked them into their great stories and novels. Now, Barfield wasn't such a great writer, but he did develop his ideas. They sprang in a way from a crisis very early in his life. He had a depression and wondered what life was about. He felt trapped in things. And then two things happened. First of all, he fell in love, which always helps open the soul. But in a way, the more lasting thing in life was that he discovered the power of poetry. He discovered that when he read poetic words, they didn't just amuse him, they didn't just warm him, but they seemed to lead him into completely new worlds that he hadn't realised were even there before. And he stayed with that feeling and then developed what that might be about throughout the rest of his life. This was partly about poetry and how it works, and a great interest in words as fossils of consciousness, as he put it. Much like bones are fossils of our physiology, so words can become fossils of our mind. And then that led him to develop a tremendous theory about the evolution of consciousness, which really is at the heart of his radical thinking, the thing that Lewis and Tolkien said was so tremendous, and which he then ran with.